I was trying to switch from my cell phone to my laptop.
Oh.
We're good now.
Okay, so
Okay.
I believe we're live and it's recording.
Okay.
Perfect.
Okay. So we're supposed to talk about the box on page 115. We're supposed to fill it out.
Yeah.
So we should all be sharing our top 3 terminal values and our top 3 instrumental values, and then our slogan.
Yeah.
Who wants to go first?
I'll go. For my terminal values, my first one was happiness. And then my second one was self-respect. And my third one was mature love.
Nice.
I think those are important.
Thanks. And that was just your terminal value?
Oh, did you want me to do the instrumental ones too right now?
Sure, why not?
Okay, the first one was capable. The second one was responsible, and the third one is logical.
Perfect.
Next.
I'll go next.
Okay.
My top 3 terminal values were self-respect, family security, and happiness. And then instrumental values were loving, helpful, and forgiving. So you guys.
I'll go next. For my top 3 terminal values, I chose happiness, an exciting life, and a world at peace. And then for my top 3 instrumental values, I chose loving, ambitious, and imaginative.
Okay, so my top 3 terminal were happiness, self-respect, and family security. And then my instrumental were ambitious, honest, and courageous.
Thanks.
Good.
Who wants to share your slogan?
I just did a quote that I like for mine because I'm not very imaginative. It's by Robert Frost, and it traveled the road less, or followed the road less traveled, and that has made all the difference. So I think it's just, trying to do your own thing. Well, be a good person and not being a jerk.
I like that.
Yeah, it's a good one.
Perfect. I'll go.
Okay.
So I wrote mine to use my loving nature to help others while forgiving and learning from mistakes, to cultivate self-worth and self-respect in order to achieve a long life of happiness.
Wow.
That's really good.
Yeah, this is good. Your guys' are like way better than mine. The book examples were like so vague, so I was like, I thought it was just supposed to be vague, so mine was, my personal vision statement was to live a happy life, and my slogan was because we're worth it.
I like that though.
True.
So my vision is trusting the process of growing as an individual and leader each day while helping others along the way.
Dang.
And then my slogan is just trust the process.
Oh, I like that.
Nice. Perfect.
I think that's it, right? Oh, do you want to make a team slogan?
Yeah. I noticed that we all pretty much had like happiness for the most part on the terminal values, and a lot of us had self-respect. So maybe something around that.
And like about like respecting others.
Yeah. leads to happiness.
I mean, I think it does, right?
I mean, I feel like if I have self-respect and I respect others, then I'm happy personally. There's things that tie into happiness, but I think that that is something that can lead to it, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Um,
Okay, what else?
Isn't there an assignment we have to turn in today? Like as
Yeah.
a quiz?
It's the database or the theory database proposal. So
Yeah.
I kind of took a look at a couple like different ideas. I didn't know like if everyone else had ideas. But it was like to like pick a topic, and one of the topics that I personally am interested in is leadership and influence. Just throwing it out there if you guys have better ideas.
Yeah, I mean, I did like kind of the same thing. I did the types of leadership. And then
Okay, yeah,
we could like delve into that more just because I don't know, there's a lot of information on that. So
Yeah. We'd have to pick like 5 different like types of leadership, which we could definitely do.
yeah. Well, yeah, that's in the book. So I don't know if you guys do that or
Yeah, I mean, I'm up for whatever.
okay, cool. Is that good with everybody?
That works for me.
Okay, cool. Okay, so then why do we want to do this topic?
To gain a better understanding of the different leadership styles.
Cool. And then another question is, what are the 5 topics that your group would like to focus on?
Should we do the 5 different leadership styles?
Yeah, so the traits, situational, functional, relational, and transformational.
That works.
Yeah.
And then the next question is, how are these 5 concepts relevant or related to the topic that you have chosen? They're all different types of leaderships.
Yeah.
Okay. I think that's it. I can type this up and I'll submit it to her today, like when we're done.
Okay.
And then I think that's it. What's next week? We have to have this theory database draft. I don't know what that is.
I've got
So that's
oh,
the
here.
database topic, the 5 concepts, their textbook definitions, 3 reference tables, 1 fully completed bibliography entry for each concept. In short, your draft should contain a minimum of 5 concepts, 15 references in APA style, and 5 complete annotated bibliography entries.
Holy moly. Where did you find that?
So
Yeah.
that's under the attached files in week 3 for the theory database proposal. There's a assignment on there. It's a PDF file.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it looks like the draft itself is due on the 13th.
On February 13th?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, because I was looking in the module or week 3, 4.
It should be in week 5.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then it
'Cause I was
says
just looking for week 4 and it doesn't even say anything about like that.
Yeah.
yeah. So we've got like what 2 weeks to work on it then.
Yeah, so I guess we could work on it and then like talk about it in the next.
Do we want to split up the leadership styles and kind of hand them out to each one
Yeah.
of us?
Yeah. I think that's the best
I'm
way.
sorry, where did you find the PDF for the just the what was due for the draft? I can only find what's due for the entire project.
Same.
So it's
Oh, it's within there.
yeah, it's within there. There's an A, B, and C. I think.
Got it. Sorry, just found it.
And then for the proposal that we have to submit today, you have to put in where in the textbooks the 5 concepts are discussed.
Yeah, I wrote all that down earlier.
Cool.
Cool, thank you.
That's just like a whole chapter. Okay, so who wants to do what?
No preference.
Well, since there's 4 of us, but there's 5 things, I don't know, is there one that's like easier that we could do like that person could have 2 or I don't know. Do you
Actually,
guys know?
can I request transformational?
Yeah.
Okay.
I like the situational. I'll do that.
Okay.
And what were the other ones? I'm like blanking.
Trait,
Functional,
functional.
relational, and traits.
I think trait is probably pretty easy.
Yeah, I think there's like oh no, that was never mind. Never mind. Okay, well, I'll do the traits then too.
So wait, for just next week, all we're doing is getting their definition, right?
I
And
don't know.
references.
I didn't open the thing.
It says, well, hang on.
Yeah, it looks like next week all that's due is our concepts, their definitions, and then 3 references for each.
For each concept?
Yeah, I think so. It says 3 references in each table.
Is that for next week?
Yeah.
You sure?
Right? It says the theory database draft, and that's what's due, right?
That's not due until the 13th. So 2.
Oh. Then
But-
what is due next Monday?
Nothing. We just have a
Nothing.
We just have a chat and that asks us something along the lines of,
Wait, I think I like
well,
missed
it just
the-
talks about power and influence next week as a video chat.
Okay.
Is the PDF that you guys opened, is it the COM 430 theory database assignment?
Yeah.
Yeah, if you scroll down to like the 3rd page,
Oh,
this theory
my bad. I'm
database.
sorry. I thought I scrolled all the way down. Okay. Cool.
Yeah. Yeah, so it says in short, your draft should contain a minimum of 5 concepts, 15 references in APA style. But that's not due for 2 weeks.
Yeah, that's due the 13th.
Okay.
Yeah. The sooner we can get it better, the better. Like if we have stuff done, we should all look at it next week at our next chat too. I'm thinking
Yeah.
just see where we're all coming. I mean, obviously we don't have to have it finished or anything like that, but
Yeah.
wouldn't be bad to at least have some of it, and then we can take a look and see what we have. That way we can maybe, like get suggestions if we're having struggles or anything like that.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, so then what were the ones that we haven't done yet?
Functional and relational.
I don't really care. David, do you have a preference between the two?
I don't care. I'll do whatever.
I will do. I don't care. I'll do functional.
Okay. So I'll do relational.
And Carly, if I finish mine early or anything, I can also do the other one too, the traits.
Okay.
Yeah,
Cool.
same. We can all
Yeah.
come up with stuff for that.
Okay.
Perfect.
Anything else?
So what was our team slogan?
Uh,
Something about like happiness and self-esteem. If you're happy with yourself, you will give happiness to the world. Boom.
to be happy with high self-esteem and self-respect.
So,
Yeah.
original.
I'm not good, like on the spot thinking of these type of things. You know what I mean? Like I had time to think about my own personal.
Yeah. That's it.
You could do leading with honesty, respect, and happiness.
I like that. It's simple.
Because the
Yeah.
slogan's supposed to be simple, I think, from what I took from the book.
Yeah, I like it.
Like the
Let's do
just
that.
do it slogan and
What was it?
leading with honesty, respect, and happiness.
It says a lot for being, being simple. I like that.
Perfect.
Okie dokie.
I
Is that all?
think so.
Oh yeah.
So then
So,
you'll submit the proposal.
I will.
Okay. Do you know
Okay.
someone else has to submit the recorded video chat?
If somebody else does?
Yeah.
Oh, because you did it last week?
Yeah, because I could send it to someone.
I don't know. I don't know if it matters or not.
Okay, I could just submit it again.
Yeah,
Okay.
I don't think it's a huge deal. We'll
Okay,
change it up next week. I know how to get into my YouTube and do it, so I'll do it next week for the recording.
sounds good.
Okay. See you guys next week.
Sounds
Bye.
good. Bye guys. Have a good night.
You too.
Bye, you too.